I want to thank everyone for coming on our special day. To our to mom, dad, mama, thank you for everything. At the Chasel for all Brian's sisters, and to all his relatives and to my relatives as well. Thank you so much for coming and for supporting us in this in our special day. To my friends, those who gave speech, Mela, Shelor, Mo, I know best effort, super saglit lang. Super thank you for coming. And yung sa ka-fitness ni Mami, thank you so much po for coming. What else ba? Ano ako masabi mo?
Nasabi mo na lahat eh.
Basta, thank you lang for everyone who came and for all my suppliers. I also want to thank my suppliers for helping me achieve this very wonderful day. Sel, my makeup artist, Hazel, Vince, to my musician and my sound system, my catering. Thank you so much sa lahat. So, thank you.
Wala ka sata. Thank you. Kasi ang message ko lang, hindi ko alam eh. Basta, magiging good father ako sa anak ko, magiging good husband ako sa asawa ko. Kahit ano pa siguro mangyari, nandito lang ako para sa kanila kahit malayo ako. Salamat sa mga nagpunta. Kahit medyo late na gabi na ngayon at nagutom kayo ng konti, thank you pa rin. Thank you. Yun lang. Wala na masabi. Enjoy na, pagkatapos may party.
There you have it.